Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to translate any website in any language in Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To translate any website in any language, first of all go to three dot icon on upper right corner, then click on settings. Now click on languages. Now scroll down. You will find the last option, Google Translate. Now click here to enable it and then scroll down. First of all, you have to select translate into this language. First of all, select this language. I am selecting here Hindi, and then select which language you want to translate. Look here, you will find another option, automatically translate these languages. Just select languages which you want to translate. First of all, I am selecting here English. In search language, type English. Select add. You can add multiple languages here. Then select Arabic. I am selecting Arabic here. Okay, now click on add. Okay, that means I want to translate Arabic language and English language website into Hindi language. Okay, now I'm going to test. Open a new tab in Google search, type English newspaper. English newspaper. Look, all English is translated into Hindi. Okay, you can change it again. Now open this English newspaper. Look, the English newspaper is automatic translated into Hindi. Now I am going to open an Arabic newspaper. I am going to open this Arabic newspaper. Look, the Arabic newspaper is automatically translated into Hindi. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.